Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla and I am the software industry from the past 2 decades. I have worked in a various software sector industry in coding and data analysis and managing of the lots of huge data into the visualization and analytics and statistics purposes. So I am trying to putting all these experts in to making a video lectures and making like a taking of a small simple examples which are real world and applying of the formulas and the techniques we are added in this particular course. Getting started here to know about the course. Introduction. Yes, this introduction you will be here like using this online tutorial to speed up and slow down video to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical exercises in your hands-on sessions. How to get help? Yes, definitely. Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques to apply and take your resolution. Where you are sitting at your organization or office, you need to understand and you need to know the problem when you are facing in a real-time scenarios. And submit your questions on asking QA forum for detail what you are tried with a screenshot, error code or practiced by you. The next one, how to approach the course. Yes, this is very important. The best way to approach the course is to review video with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. So review certain information by reading examples, parts of video lecture where you want to concentrate and practice. And similarly, where you have to create and assume your own examples with your own data and you need to practice more and more these formulas to you need to familiar on that example. Exercise and solutions. Yes, you will be assigned a simple Excel exercise of our course training journey to test your skills based on your previous lectures what you have learned, and you will learn the solution at anyhow from this Excel exercise we will share you in a later time. Thanking you.